Welcome to the exciting world of innovation in science, engineering, and software development. In this video, we're going to dive into the immense potential of R&D tax credits and how they can turbocharge your business's growth and competitiveness in these cutting-edge sectors. We'll explore R&D projects and discuss the criteria for eligibility, helping you unlock valuable incentives and fuel your company's success. So, get ready to embark on a journey that could revolutionize the way you approach innovation and transform your business like never before. Let's get started. Science and engineering. The science and engineering sector encompasses a wide range of industries, from pharmaceuticals to construction. It involves the application of scientific and mathematical principles to design and develop new products, processes, and technologies. To qualify for R&D tax credits, a project must aim to advance the field of science or engineering and involve overcoming scientific or technological uncertainties. An example of R&D in this sector would be a biotech startup developing a new gene editing technology to treat genetic disorders. The project involves extensive research and experimentation to develop a new technique, which would qualify for R&D tax credits. Advanced manufacturing. Advanced manufacturing is the use of innovative technologies and techniques to improve manufacturing processes and products. It includes industries such as aerospace, automotive, and electronics. To qualify for R&D tax credits, a project must aim to overcome technological uncertainties in the manufacturing process and lead to an improvement in efficiency or quality. An example of R&D in this sector would be a manufacturer developing a new 3D printing technique to produce complex metal components. The project involves extensive research and experimentation to develop a new process, which would qualify for R&D tax credits. Software development. Software development involves the design and development of computer programs and applications. It includes industries such as software as a service, also known as SaaS, e-commerce, and gaming. To qualify for R&D tax credits, a project must aim to overcome technological uncertainties in software development and lead to an improvement in functionality or performance. An example of R&D in this sector would be a SaaS startup developing a new artificial intelligence algorithm to improve customer service chatbots. The project involves extensive research and experimentation to develop a new algorithm, which would qualify for R&D tax credits. To bring this to a close, R&D tax credits are available to a wide range of sectors that aim to advance the fields of science, engineering, and technology. Remember, every project is unique and should be assessed on its own merits to determine eligibility for R&D tax credits. From rising energy prices to soaring inflation, UK SMEs are grappling with a number of significant business challenges going into the next financial year. You can't control many of these factors. What you can control is how well you improve your cash flow, prepare for the unexpected, and make the right choice for your business's near-term future. This may be one of the most volatile periods in recent history, but we can help you meet your growth plans through tax incentives aimed specifically for your business. It's easy to speak with us. Click the link in the description to arrange a callback from a tax specialist in our team. We'd love to talk to you, so please reach out for complete peace of mind.